our goal here is to make raving fans out of everyone that we work with, from the owners to the architects to the team members on the jobs to the subcontractors. At Trident Construction, both senior project managers and project managers are responsible from the job from inception through completion. The project manager gets involved day one and sees the project through to the end, and the senior project manager is either going to be supporting that project manager or is going to be involved with more technical projects or projects that have larger staffs on them, just to provide the support that the team may need. What we're really looking for senior project managers is people that are leaders, people that step up and take challenges and help their teams through at the end of the day. And we're looking for you to be a leader not only within the company, but also within the community.